Hello everyone, my name is Shervin and this is my app Menarik and this is my submission for the AliceHacks hackathon. So what's the problem? The problem is that people have trouble reading and understanding research papers. And this is usually because they don't have time to read all of the research paper or because they don't know many of the context that goes behind the research paper, even though they want to learn it for themselves. And this takes a lot of time and effort. Not only that, they also have trouble finding the research papers that are latest in the field uh, and also relevant to the topic that they're interested in. And the problem solution is Menarik, which is the app that I've developed. What is Menarik? So Menarik is basically a all-in-one research paper platform specifically, that allows for people to stay up to date in any active research field that they're currently invested in. So we support four main features. So first, we support research papers from ArXiv, which is one of the world's largest research paper repositories. And only that, we have a AI chatbot called FindmanBot that has context of the research papers that we find for you, so that you can ask our FindmanBot any questions of the research papers content, and we'll be able to answer, or Feynman will be able to answer for you. We also support a searching feature that uh, searches for the latest and most relevant research papers in the ArXiv repository for any field, um, in STEM specifically. And lastly, we support AI summarization for concise and easy understanding of the paper. And yeah, now let's look at the demo of our app. So this is Menarik. This is the dashboard that you'll be greeted to. Now just type in a topic that I'm interested in, and I'm interested in LLMs, large language models. We'll just wait for it. And here we have some uh, papers that our app is currently searching for and then recommending us. And you have 4 articles, so for each of them you get the title, and then you get the URL to this specific research paper. As you can see, goes back to the actual research paper, and then you can actually read it. And here we have a FindmanBot summary, which is our AI, which simplifies the original abstract in a much more concise manner, as you can see. And that's the same, I guess, format for every single other research paper, and we generate a total of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for each of them, you get a summary of the research paper from our FindmanBot and the original abstract and the link, so that you have the latest research papers in your disposal. And now this is FindmanBot, so we can ask FindmanBot. FindmanBot already has context of all of the other research papers, so I can ask it what, for example, let's see, what LLMs are, how can LLMs, I can ask it how can, how can LLMs be used in education, and then we'll wait for a response from FindmanBot. And now we've gotten a response back from FindandBot, and this response is from this research paper that we've seen, um, and yeah, gives a correct answer to this question based on that research paper with that context. This is just one example, but yeah, so this is how FindandBot works, and it can also ask any other questions based on these research papers. And yeah, that's it. And this is my app, Menarik, and thank you for this wonderful opportunity for this hackathon.